So I'm just waiting for this to break out for my entry, and candle should close above this. So I'm waiting for it. We'll see. In the meanwhile, this is CE. Let me get ready with the quantity and everything. So 1.2 is my target percentage. I haven't given stop loss because normally I used to take a decision at the time of the trade and based on the candle analysis. We'll allow some more time. So it got reversed here. We'll see whether we are going to make a trade here or not. And it is successfully given a trade in put. So I'm going to make it at 175, 1.2, 175. So we'll see. So 177, 78, 79, 80 is the high. So let's wait what is going to happen here. So it is kind of something crucial trade is happening. I have given an entry because it is going to be as it is executed, and I'm simply going here and GTT, and my target is 78.5. It is going to reach so I have given an entry. So my target is 78. We'll see it is going to achieve. It has come down 5 points. Now we have reached our entry price. So our entry price is around 76. $73. So we'll see what is happening here. So it is kind of a risky trade is happening. We'll see. It seems like recovering, but we have to be very careful. Our target is kind of on 78. Yes, 78.5 is our target. $73. So it's not breaking 73 level. And my stop loss will be something like 64, or based on the candle patterns, or even at 70 also. Or it can be a stop loss of 65 or a 78, which is going to, 165 is the stop loss, 178 or 80 is the target. We'll see what is going to happen. Slowly it will recovering, but there is no volume. It is kind of a range bound. Target or a stop loss. We'll see. We are about to hit stop loss. I have never been into trade this much time. It is going to be 10 o'clock. So it's a kind of a crucial time. This level is broken out, then there is no support. It will be reached till here, or it can take a support from 50 moving average. The support SMA. We'll see. There is one special thing about, I'm sorry. There is one special thing about option trading. It will never let you to realize that time decay is happening. It will slowly reduce one by one pointer. It'll create an always it will make you or keep you in the understanding the price is going to move up. If you allow some time, it will take 10 points from you. So you have to be very careful here. Same is happening. We'll see another 4 points, 4 to 5 points. 74, 74, 75. I believe our target is going to hit now. So we'll see. So today's sentiment is kind of a negative sentiment. It's trying to recover because the time is 10 o'clock. So it's showing some volatility there, and just we need 5 points to get exit. 4 points more. So we have to be cautious on the time decay. It's struggling to reach a 75. Yeah. We'll wait. 4 more points. 3 more points. Either target or a stop loss, only one trade a day, minimum 0.5, up to it can be 1%, 2%. 3 more points, 1 more point. Yeah, we are done for the day. Thank you so much. So our entry price is this, and our target, and this is our quantity. So I used to play always with a little quantity. So yeah, that's all for the day. I'm sorry. Thank you.